Hey, let me read. So, what are you guys doing? Oh, baby, 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 oh, baby, 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 oh, baby, 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 oh, like you all would be my, baby, 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 oh. Baby, 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 oh, baby, 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 oh, that's you all to be mine. When I was there, yeah, 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 yeah. I just messed this up. Here's Neo. Do, 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 do. Oh, yeah, yeah. Take my ass in machine. Now I'm alone. So right away, people, we can't come to the phone. Let no one make a sense. When we walk out the door, that's the only way I can hear your voices anymore. This is ridiculous. The most expensive message I can hold us. Honor and nice. Make my paper done. Walk me well with my head down. Well, so far for you now. Shining over you. And I'm so sick of love songs. That is me. So that the reason you were still here. And I'm so sick of love songs. On the phone, why can't I turn off my radio? Think the calendar I have, no my life for king. Yes, like some more of you, together my anniversary. Most glad of my heart to you, the memories of the song and me up as Mississippi. That will be some so sick of love song. No hollers for years. So let me listen. You were still here. And I'm so sick of love song. Those are the small. Why can I cannot my radio breaks? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. You sing a song. I can think about your smile. The habits like first out. Let it go. And the radio. So I'm so simple love song. Don't bother me. So let me listen. You were still here. And I'm so sick of love song. Why I like your off my radio? Break. Why can't I turn off the radio? Bridge. Why leave me alone? You gave a song. Make me think about the smile. I was but for child. You know. Mm, I have another one from you. Very soon I'm going to Vegas.
Or illegal within the past 24 hours? No, sir. Have you consumed any alcohol within the past 12 hours? No, sir. Have you taken any prescribed medication within the last 24 hours? No, sir. Do you have a prescription for Xanax? No, sir.
I'm so sick of the song. So hard that says that we share. You are still here. I'm so sick of love song. So tired of fun. Why can't I turn off the radio? Right. Me alone. We hear a song. I can't think about her smile. Then the consequences from alone. If you like that, leave a like, leave a comment, leave a. Okay. Okay. There we go. Back to Justin Bieber.
Chance to object, okay? Okay. That's fine. You get career, do you know Raymond Usher the fourth? No. Do you know an individual entertained by the name of Usher? Yeah, Usher. That sounds familiar. Isn't it true that Usher was instrumental in starting his career? What does that have to do with this litigation, Mr. DeKalb? This is just you trying to harass the clients. Why don't you get down to business? Your comments are inappropriate. I am getting down. Fine. But I am getting down to business. I'm asking questions that do pertain to this lawsuit.
This sounds like a 60 Minutes interview. I mean, are we going to ask about the issues in the case?
No, he wants to make a video tape so he can distribute it to the media. That's what this is all about. This is DeKalb's interview.
This has to do with the question that involve this lawsuit. Come on, please, sir. Isn't it true that Usher was very instrumental in starting it?
But that calls for a yes or no answer, correct?
However he chooses to
Calls for a
respond.
yes or no answer. Wait, I'm just going off your page, man. It's a yes or no answer required, right?
My lord's asking a question. Please, sir. My lord's asking a question. I'm not here to answer his questions. You're here to answer mine. Do you need the question right back?
Yeah, let's read it back.
Is it true that Usher was very instrumental in starting his career? I'm pretty aware that.
Calls for a yes or no.
Is your answer yes?
I'm sorry to keep asking.